This is a shooting board. I taught you how to make this in a previous video. It's an essential appliance. What it is it allows us to take the boards that we have cut to length, lay a plane along this, and shoot that edge so that it's square and smooth. So this will allow me to get square and smooth ends, cross grain ends. Okay, but there's another appliance that goes along with this one. Both of them, in my estimation, are essential to woodworking with hand tools, and that is a bench hook. Now, the bench hook is the same thing as the shooting board, pretty much. The only difference is on the shooting board, you have this little runner that the plane runs on. You don't need that for the bench hook because the bench hook is for cutting. But what you have essentially the same thing. This is square. It's square up and down. It's square this way. And so what I can do is this helps me. It helps to guide my saw so that I don't cut off, so that I can get nice straight square cuts right off the saw. You know, sometimes you're not going to get perfect, but most of the time you can get really, really close so that you don't have to do very much cleanup at all with the shooting board. And it's basically the same exact thing. It's got a stop here and a hook here. That's why I call it a bench hook. It hooks onto the bench. If you were doing Japanese saws, then you would have a bench hook that went like that so that you could pull against this stop. But you just put it in here like this, and I've made a little piece that doesn't have a stop. It just has the hook. That way, if my wood is really long, I can just, let me scoot this over so that I can use my vise. But I can just lay this here, and it basically extends the width of my bench hook. And so the way I use this is I would take my crosscut or my joiner saw, whichever it was, and I would line that up. And I'm going to use that. I'm going to lay my saw right up against that. And what I have is a square board that way, and a square board that way, perfectly square, so that all I have to do and all I have to worry about is basically, as a matter of fact, off the saw, that would be just fine, because you're going to do cleanup with the plane anyway. You're going to smooth everything, but that's all I had to do. That's perfectly square. It's from this direction and that direction. It's that easy. That's a bench hook, and that's why you need one.